Hi guys, welcome back. Just a quick video. My first friend mail today came from Polly. If you should know him by now, if you've been on a live, he's my moderator and friend here in California. And he was the first person to send me something. And when I tell you, it changed my day. Even the wrapping. Oh my God. It smells so good. But he sent me samples of all those. Let me figure out how to open this. I did have scissors, but I don't know. I have like 4 pairs because the wrapping during Christmas, I can see they've already been taken out. You shrink wrap this. Polly, help out. No, I'm just kidding. I'm trying to get this. I know I can just cut it, but I don't have time for that. But you can smell it through the package. Use a pen. There we go. I need to get some of this stuff for packaging to send people stuff. I think it would be great. So yeah, he sent me, oh wow, Polly. God, I love you. My girls are gonna try to take these. And I know you would probably want me to share. Oh my God. Like these smell, I cannot, minuet, these smell so good. Amber, okay, yeah, I know where you're coming from, but you like my daughters are gonna take all of these though. Sahara, oh my God. So samples of all his crazy cool. I'm going to read you the card. He did give me permission. This card is beautiful. Hope is the light within. I almost want to get this tattooed now. Like down by holding my hand. Look at that. That's beautiful. And it says, the goodness in you brings out the goodness in everyone around you. That's how bright your light shines. That's how strong you are. So wishing you and your family only health, happiness, well-being, and success in all your future endeavors. Anything is possible. Always, Paul. And it's funny because he makes the smiley face just like I do. I love it. Thank you, Polly. Like that, I think I am going to get that tattooed. That is like the coolest design too. I love stuff like that. The sun, moon, and stars, anything positive is just amazing. But my P.O. box and my email are always going to be down below in the description box and in my channel, about section. Just know, guys, if you need to reach out and talk to me, I am not a professional. I don't claim to be, but I can be your friend. And sometimes that's all people need is someone just to send a message. And also, if you have any small businesses on the side or a business and you would like me to show your product, send it to my P.O. box and I will absolutely do so. Just kind of put a description in what you would like me to say and how they can order it. And I'm all yours. It's free advertising. You just have to send the product. I love plush. I love food. I love snacks. If you write to me, if you could just send a postage stamp, if you would like a response. I'm not saying if you send me a package to send, no. Like if you send a letter just in the card or something, put a postage stamp because 65 cents adds up real quick. Right now I'm not getting a lot of mail, but if that happens, it does help. But thank you guys for being here and I love and appreciate all of you. And this is a dream just to go on lives when I feel alone and talk to you guys and be who I am and not have to change that. The world is a crazy, crazy place. And just to do things simply driving while I'm talking to you guys, it helps me tremendously. And know I'm watching the road. So I know a lot of people are like, Polly's the one down there answering a lot of the questions, but he's like my right-hand man and I wouldn't do it without him. So thank you, Polly, again. And thank you to all you guys. And just thank you. And I hope to see you guys tonight. This will hopefully go up soon. But, oh, and also if you send something, let me know if I can share it in videos like this. Because I won't, if it's personal, I'm not going to share it. But thank you guys for everything. I love you guys so much.